As usual, you're looking amazing. The full look.
Thanks to you.
Thanks to you for like trusting me with this.
I love
ये
it.
outfit आपस की बात है is amazing. When I chose
love the
it, it's from
accessories.
Zarposh और lawn का है embroidery है because
Yeah,
you're
beautiful.
going for some really like lunch. So, लेकिन मैंने कहा आप आ रही हैं आज तो
जी,
आपके
जी।
साथ कुछ गेम्स भी खेले हम संडे
आप ऐसे
स्टूडियो में
कैसे जाने दे सकते हैं
एग्जैक्टली
मुझे?
सो कंटेंट का हूँ मैं तो कंटेंट मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है यू नो एंड ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग टू यू इज ऑलवेज फन ऑलवेज
Oh,
सो
that's
इंट्रीगिंग एंड आई विल बी ऑन कैमरा मैं आपको हमेशा प्राइवेट में बताता हूँ I learn so much from you,
Oh,
honestly.
that's
On
really
every shoot that
sweet.
we are, you always give such a good input, and you're my favorite muse. I've said it on
that's so
my
kind.
podcast. एक और आ रहा है जिसमें मैंने इंटरव्यू मैंने दिया है लिया नहीं है किसी का so उसमें मैंने कहा वो कहते हैं मुझे आपकी favorite muse कौन है so I said I have this one muse that's my favorite and it's
That's
Purva.
so sweet.
Because
That's
we have
really sweet.
कम टाइम में हमने बहुत काम किया खैर
Yeah.
so this segment is called Sunday Studio this or that
ठीक है.
so let's see which one you choose
ठीक है.
velvet or organza
Velvet. For
okay
sure. हाँ.
statement lips or smoky eyes
Depends, but statement lips.
I know.
Yeah,
I knew
yeah.
this answer was coming.
वो मुझे ज़्यादा पसंद है.
हाँ, you love that. Okay, Urva, heels all day or barefoot on set?
Definitely barefoot on set. Any day is not for heels. I feel there's no day for heels. मुझे लगता है heels जो है ना वो हमें torture करने के लिए बनाए गए
अच्छा.
हैं. हाँ कभी देखिए there are people who have their love for shoes, so nothing against them, but I wouldn't go for heels if whenever I have the option.
इसलिए मैंने आपको flats दिया आज. Just to
I
enjoy
love
and chill.
these.
है
I
ना?
love these.
Okay, traditional jhumkas or modern ear cuffs?
एक मेरे पे एक फेज आया था जब मैं बहुत एयर कफ्स पहनती थी, बट आई थिंक ट्रेडिशनल झुमकाज आर टाइमलेस.
Yeah,
सो वो फेज नहीं होता, दे आर देयर फॉरएवर.
Exactly. Okay, all black glam or bold colors only?
Bold colors. I think I've been into really bright colors lately.
Yeah, and you've been
and
in-
I'm experimenting with like, you know,
Exactly, and I've seen you in an era where you all were just white.
white
And I
and
love
like
white.
earthy tones.
Yeah.
And then now suddenly I'm this person who likes neons and bright colors. So yeah, I'm enjoying that also.
Great, and
Yeah.
we'd love to see you in like different colors, and you've experimented a lot, and which is great. I love that. Okay, style to perfection or effortless chic?
Effortless chic. I think that's more of something that kind of enhances your personality. So yeah, I would rather go for that.
Okay. Solo shoot energy or full glam squad vibes?
Both.
You love
yeah, I
both.
love
I
love
can-
shooting,
Yeah.
love working. So yeah, both.
Okay, quick change in a car or full vanity setup? It depends.
It depends, but I think I'm very flexible that way. Yeah, I'll do a quick change in the car if the light is going and like pack up हो जाएगा अगर अगले 10 मिनट में shot ना लिया और day light चली जाएगी तो फिर I can be very like so under pressure I think just like you said in the beginning
मैंने भी बड़ा change किया वैसे quick इस तरह
करना
का-
पड़ता है ना हमारे जो fashion shoots जैसे होते हैं and all.
Exactly.
हाँ.
Acting in a period drama, मतलब you all decked up as period
ठीक है,
actress
ठीक
like
है.
Madhubala,
हाँ.
or styling like yourself with like modern and aesthetic and let's go get
Definitely a period drama. My God.
I'm-
Any
I'm
day.
watching Farhan
Any day.
bhai's,
Oh
period
my
drama
God,
and
कितना
it's
अच्छा है वो.
amazing, है ना?
हाँ. बहुत
वैसे.
मजा आ रहा है मुझे वो देखने का.
it. Exactly. Or we saw the first glimpses of it when
Yeah.
nobody
Together,
saw it.
yeah.
So I'm gonna be very proud of it.
Yeah, we did.
Okay, one signature look forever or you can change every season.
Oh नहीं, one signature look forever तो बहुत boring हो जाएगा. मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं वैसी हूँ. दिल चाहता है कभी-कभी कि कुछ जैसे आजकल पता नहीं क्यों मैं सोच रही हूँ आप बताएं if it's a yes or no. मेरा दिल चाहता है मैं bangs कटवा लूँ. फिर मेरा किसी दिन
आपने
दिल चाहता
कटवाए थे
है
वैसे एक दफा
कि मैं
नमन मफराद 2 में
हाँ वो देखिए कितना पहले किया था ना. तो अब
वो
मेरा
मजे के लगे
आजकल मेरे पे वो फेज आया हुआ
कर
है
ले.
या हो सकता है मैं कुछ और नया करूं.
Exactly.
So yeah,
We can-
definitely
we can-
not one look forever.
हाँ, we can brainstorm
है
that
ना?
and let's just not go with it.
Yeah.
मेरे तो सवाल इसके लिए खत्म हुए आगे बहुत सवाल और भी है interesting
ठीक
But
है.
let's get dive into another look.
Yes please. Yes please.
let's go.
Excited. Let's go.
जो हमारा सेकेंड लुक इट्स अबाउट अ डे इवेंट एंड आई एम श्योर इट्स वेरी ट्रिकी ऑलवेज that what makeup should we do during the daytime. I think that tied up hair during the daytime is the best thing to do.
Now the second look which I created and what I wanted, my vision for the second look was, क्योंकि हम जा रहे हैं day wedding पे. So we have chosen Zuri by Zainab Fawad. I love the color, it's pastel, it's day. So I chose this. Let's see how she likes it. I hope so she loves it. Okay. You
Okay,
gorgeous. You are looking absolutely stunning. I love what you're wearing.
I also love what I'm wearing.
यार बाल बहुत प्यारे लग रहे हैं.
Yeah.
Makeup and the look entirely.
Well put together look, I would
Do you
say.
like it?
Love it.
Great. Okay, so I have few questions. Again, we are here with
Yeah.
my favorite Urwa Hussain, and not just that, we have some interesting questions to know about her.
ठीक है.
It's called the first and the fails. Are you excited for the questions? Because you don't know the questions.
बात सुने,
I know.
you are the only one जो हमेशा मुझे इस तरह की चीज में फंसाने में कामयाब हो जाता है. हाँ.
But it's always fun. Okay.
Yeah.
First red carpet appearance. Do you recall that experience?
I do, of course I
Okay.
do. I think it was the most nervous appearance of my life.
अच्छा.
उसके बाद of course you keep getting used to it और फिर आप you get a hang of it
Yeah.
slowly and you know with every event you're better.
हाँ.
But that time around I think before entering like I can recall that मुझे लगा कि I think I should go back home. वो वाली feeling नहीं होती कि यहीं से मुड़ जाओ.
Anxiety और सारा
Yeah,
कुछ,
like
हाँ.
so many cameras and like so many people just looking at you and like
और सबका एक ही सवाल.
Yeah.
Who are you wearing?
Who are you wearing तो तब बहुत होता था, अब उतना नहीं होता. तब who are you wearing बहुत होता था.
अच्छा. First time you felt like a fashion icon.
हैं? I don't know if I've ever felt like that. No.
I feel
maybe I
every
haven't.
day.
नहीं मैं probably उस तरह से नहीं सोचते
हाँ.
कि अच्छा today I'm gonna wear this and I'm gonna be a fashion icon.
I think fashion is about that
हाँ.
only. I think लोग इस पे ना ज़्यादा वो फोकस हो जाते हैं
हाँ.
कि आपने क्या पहना, आप ट्रेंडी कपड़े पहन रहे हो नहीं पहन रहे हो. मेरे ख्याल से फैशन वो है जो आपको खुश करे. First styling decision you made completely on your own and owned it.
I think after that
हाँ.
phase, I think जब बहुत सारे misses और fails हो गए तो then I became very like I know.
Yeah.
मुझे शायद इतना clearly ये नहीं पता होता था कि ये करना है बट क्या नहीं करना मुझे बहुत clearly अंदर से आवाज़ आ जाती थी and then I would follow that.
It's not first ever project, but the project that changed your career 360.
अच्छा, the project that changed my career, I would say that was my debut film, नामालूम फरहाद. And उसका तो मुझे day one इतना clearly याद है क्योंकि मैंने बड़ा fully उसको live किया था. And I was like, it was so unreal. एक तो यहाँ फिल्में होती नहीं हैं,
हाँ.
तब तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं होती थी पाकिस्तान में, अब तो होती हैं. तो मैं ये ख्वाब ज़रूर देखती थी कि मैंने फिल्म्स करनी है, बस ख्वाब देखती रहती थी. प्रैक्टिकली मुझे नहीं पता था ये कैसे होगा
हाँ.
क्योंकि यहाँ तो फिल्म्स ही नहीं बनती.
Exactly.
तो वो जब जिस दिन में मतलब जब साइन भी किया सब कुछ हुआ, इट वाज वेरी ओवरवेलमिंग कि आपने फिल्म साइन कर ली एंड एवरीथिंग. आई डिड नॉट बिलीव इट अंटिल इट हैपेंड, अंटिल द डे वन हैपेंड. सो डे वन आई रिमेंबर लाइक आई इवन noticed what the sky looks like today, what the set looks like. Oh my god, the vibe, I'm on a film set, you know. So
I think feeling ही अलग है altogether. Films are larger than life.
Whatever dream you have when it does
it's getting
come
fulfilled,
true,
of course.
Yeah.
You feel so good
Yeah.
about it. अच्छा, biggest styling fail in your opinion on or off screen? I think
बहुत सारे हैं वो तो फिर मतलब
मेरे
कौन
career
से
में
कोई
हो जाता है इंसान
a lot of
से.
हाँ मतलब it's all about experimenting.
I
हाँ,
think
तो फिर
आप भी evolve करते हो as a person with time. तो आपको जो पीछे देखते हो ना, आपको उस टाइम पे हिट लग रहा होता है, फिर बाद में मिस लग रहा
And
होता है.
Ozan bhai, how much you learn from failures.
I agree.
My God, है ना?
And I
तो
think
फिर आपको
that is the best experience to have because you learn.
Yes.
Okay, first time you walked into a shoot and thought, no, that's not me.
And then like short
left.
or left? No, that's not me. that I would never do.
And I really like one thing about you as well that I want to mention on camera, that you're a very hands-on person, that if you agree to doing something, you're always up there. If I call you late at night, you're always there, Ji Ozan bhai, what to do? Acha, what are we doing? So you always plan things out, which is
and
great.
if there's an idea that I got, I'll
Of
text
course.
कि अच्छा
हाँ.
ताकि वो thought गायब नहीं हो
And
जाए.
by the way, she is a director, but she would not agree.
No.
She is a director completely.
मैं वही कह रही हूँ, मैंने कब direct किया है?
नहीं, वो इनमें है. First time you ever splurged on and purely for fashion.
I can't remember that because मुझे ज़्यादातर गिफ्ट्स ही मिलते हैं फरहान से, तो मुझे I don't have to just go and like I think मैं कहीं ना कहीं कुछ अपनी पसंद बता देती होंगी या पता नहीं, I don't know how he figures it out. He always gets me the best
पता
stuff.
होता है कि मुझे क्या चाहिए exactly.
हाँ, मुझे लगता नहीं है कि मैं बताती हूँ कि लेकिन मुझे फिर वो चीज़ बहुत पसंद आती है, so मुझे करना नहीं पड़ता है ये पूरा एफर्ट ना.
You're lucky. Okay, first shoot that you that made you emotional in a good way.
First shoot that made me emotional.
कोई भी हो, फर्स्ट मतलब ये नहीं कि आपने पहला कौन सा किया कि आपको इमोशनल फील हुआ, बट कोई भी शूट ऐसा हो जो आपने किया और आप यू फेल्ट लाइक बीइंग सो इमोशनल एंड यू नो.
ऐसे
I
बहुत
think the film set was the answer.
I'll tell you. So whenever we're like on sets, इस तरह के बहुत moments होते हैं. You can't really put a finger on one.
Okay, first time you realized your style had influenced someone, or some fan or industry people, or
Influence someone.
I think your style has influenced the nation recently with the farshi shalwar. I've only seen you wearing it.
मैं
Back in the
actually
days.
पहले भी पहनती थी.
हाँ वही back in the days
I'm a
कह
very
रहा हूँ.
शलवार कमीज sort of a
हाँ.
person. तो वो I think वो चल
वो
रहा था.
influence हो पूरी देखिए
But
माने.
this reminds me that जैसे अभी हम पहले भी बात कर रहे थे, जो आप स्टाइल हैज इन्फ्लुएंस की बात करें ना, व्हेन आई डिड नो मेकअप एंड आई सेड कि अच्छा नहीं मुझे मेकअप
शादी
नहीं
पे,
करना,
हाँ, of course.
सो देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ बैकलैश